Here is the easy way to reset the tire pressure monitoring system TPMS light on Audi A5. As you can see, we have yellow tire warning light at the bottom of the dashboard here. All you need to know is that the process for resetting the tire pressure monitoring system TPMS light on an Audi A5 is largely the same across all models from 2011 onwards, relying on the MMI infotainment system to store the new pressures. Just the button locations and screen designs that have changed slightly over the past years. All you need to do is to find car or vehicle. This one is Audi A5 2017 model, and you need to do this. First, make sure all tires are inflated to the recommended PSI. Then navigate to the MMI system by going to car as shown here. Then go to servicing and checks. Then go to tire pressure loss indicator. Then store tire pressures. Select yes to confirm. The yellow warning light is gone off as you can see here. All done and ready to go.